Let's dissect what's actually happening with Kaspa right now, because the surface story misses the real drama unfolding behind the scenes. At $0.08775, Kaspa isn't just sitting in neutral territory, it's trapped in what I call a decision zone. Picture this. Buyers are stationed at support levels, loaded with ammunition, ready to push price higher. Sellers are fortified at resistance, defending their territory like their portfolios depend on it, which they do. But here's where it gets fascinating. This isn't random price movement. This is strategic positioning by smart money who understand something that retail traders are missing. The volume tells the real story. We're seeing 121 million in daily volume, which might sound impressive until you compare it to July's explosive rallies. That cooling volume isn't weakness, it's concentration. It's the market holding its breath before the next major move. Think of it like a pressure cooker. The lid is on tight, steam is building, and something has to give. The question isn't if this range will break, it's when and in which direction. If this technical breakdown is already shifting your perspective on Kaspa's next move, smash that like button right now. Your engagement tells YouTube that serious technical analysis deserves more visibility than price prediction theater. And hit that subscribe button to TJ Crypto World because what comes next will blow your mind. Now let me reveal what the volume data is actually telling us, because this is where most analysts get it completely wrong. Lower volume during consolidation isn't bearish, it's preparation. When big players want to accumulate or distribute, they don't announce it with massive volume spikes. They work quietly, methodically, building positions while everyone else focuses on price charts. The open interest data confirms this theory. Positions remain loaded, meaning traders haven't fled the scene. They're positioned for the next move. This setup is what institutional traders call spring-loaded. All the energy is there, waiting for the right catalyst. Here's the crucial insight. In range-bound markets, decreasing volume combined with steady open interest typically precedes explosive moves. It's like watching a dam fill with water. Everything looks calm until the moment it bursts. And that burst? It's coming sooner than most people think. If this technical breakdown is already shifting your perspective on Kaspa's next move, smash that like button right now. Your engagement tells YouTube that serious technical analysis deserves more visibility than price prediction theater. Alright, let's map out the battlefield with military precision. I've identified 3 distinct scenarios, each with specific triggers and target zones. If Kaspa penetrates the $0.093 to $0.095 resistance zone with conviction, and by conviction I mean sustained volume above 150 million, we're looking at a rocket launch toward 10 cents to $0.103. But here's where it gets explosive. If momentum sustains through that level, 11 cents to $0.115 becomes inevitable. Why these specific levels? They align with Fibonacci extensions and previous swing highs that acted as psychological barriers. Break those, and FOMO kicks in like wildfire. If Kaspa remains trapped between $0.082 and 9 cents, we enter what I call range trader paradise. This scenario actually benefits patient traders who understand support and resistance dynamics. Buy near $0.082, sell near 9 cents, repeat until the range breaks. But don't get comfortable. Ranges don't last forever, and the longer this one persists, the more explosive the eventual breakout becomes. Now if $0.082 support crumbles, and I mean genuinely breaks with volume confirmation, not just a quick wick, the technical picture shifts dramatically. The next logical support cluster sits at 8 cents to $0.075. Lose that, and we're discussing a potential retracement toward the $0.052 to $0.055 zone. This isn't fear-mongering, this is probability mapping based on technical structure and historical patterns. But here's what separates professional traders from emotional retail investors: understanding market psychology behind these scenarios. Smart money isn't guessing which direction Kaspa breaks, they're positioned for both possibilities. The current setup reminds me of Bitcoin's consolidation phases before major breakouts in 2020 and 2021. Quiet accumulation, decreasing volatility, frustrated retail traders, then sudden explosive movement that catches everyone off guard. So when does this coiled spring finally release its energy? Based on historical patterns and current market structure, I expect resolution within the next 5 to 7 trading sessions. Watch for these catalysts: Bitcoin breaking its own key levels, overall crypto market sentiment shifts, or Kaspa-specific news that could trigger volume influxes. But here's my contrarian prediction, and this might surprise you. I believe the breakout happens during a session when most traders aren't expecting it. Maybe during Asian trading hours when Western traders are sleeping, or during a quiet weekend when liquidity is thin. Why? Because that's when smart money makes their moves, when there's less competition and better execution prices. My personal bias? The technical structure favors upside resolution, but I'm prepared for either scenario because that's what professional trading demands. If this technical breakdown helped you understand Kaspa's current position and potential outcomes, demonstrate your appreciation by crushing that like button. Subscribe to TJ Crypto World and activate notifications because Kaspa's next major move is imminent and you'll want real-time analysis when it happens. Here's what I'm preparing for you next. A deep dive into altcoin season indicators and which projects are positioning for explosive growth alongside market leaders like Kaspa. Your time and attention fuel the research that makes these breakdowns possible. Until the next major move, this is TJ from TJ Crypto World. Stay technical, stay prepared, and remember, in crypto markets, patience combined with preparation beats emotional speculation every single time.